Welcome on my YouTube channel Crypto Gems. Today I will tell you about a new floor token that will be a real rail. And today I will tell you can change the token by and its cryptocurrency. Before starting the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the accompanying bell icon. Website link in description. Let's start video. The name of this token is Bitup. First of its kind, automatic rebasing with automatic BTC rewards. Holders get rewarded with BTC, which is on its way to $100K. 15% total tax. Marketing/buyback 6%, 1% ecosystem, 3% liquidity, 5% Bitcoin rewards. If you want to have join-in website, then join Twitter and Telegram. I click on their website button. Bitup. Introducing Bitup, the first automatic rebasing token that is programmed to keep the chart constantly in an uptrend and also provides BTC rewards to holders. Next, tokenomics, 6%. Marketing and buyback. This tax ensures there is sufficient amount of funds to sustain the coin in the long run and if needed, will be used to buy tokens to support the chart. 1%. Ecosystem. This tax exists such that all the marketing tax can be used on the project and any extra costs can be taken care of through these funds. 3%. Liquidity. Meaning that we will always maintain a stable liquidity pool, keeping your investment safer and more sustainable to hold for the long term. 5%. BTC rewards. This tax ensures there is sufficient amount of funds to sustain the coin in the long run and if needed, will be used to buy tokens to support the chart. Next, what is rebase? Rebase is an increase or decrease in the total supply of a given token across all holding pools and all wallets. This is done in order to adjust the token price without affecting the value of anyone's share of coins. This can be beneficial as the chart will always look healthy regardless of dips, and we can be on the top gainers parts of websites due to the illusion of a rise in price floor, so is a brilliant marketing tool in itself. Roadmap. Phase 1. A pre-sale initial stealth. A launch on PancakeSwap, 500 holders. 500 Telegram members. Stickers for the Telegram group. Bitup worldwide communities. Application to CoinSnipper, CoinHunt, WatchReguru, etc. Phase 2. CoinGecko application and listing. Light paper creation. KuCoin banners and influencers. 2,000 holders and application to CMC. Meme contest plus giveaways. Admin dashboard goes live, testing begins. Phase 3. CMC listing. Logo on Trust Wallet, NBSC scan. Tech rate audit. More community events. White paper. Hiring new dedicated team members. AMAs. Phase 4. Public dashboard goes live, dApps. $1 million of Bitup rewards distributed. Various partnerships and sponsorships. Advertising campaign expansion. Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, MarketWatch, and Bloomberg articles. Website overhaul. 25,000 holders. Phase 5. 100,000 holders. Expansion of roadmap. Certic audit. Staking. $100 million market cap. Next. Click button on top buy token. Next. Select 噚ɛnh and convert into crypto ڨɛnh. I change 50 coins change into BLT. Thanks for watching. Next my video coming up.